So that we may be united in mind and spirit, let me present to you the roadmap of our Diocesan Diamond Jubilee. Our Jubilee will unfold in 3 phases: the preparatory phase, celebratory phase, and the post-Jubilee phase. First, the preparatory phase begins today and will continue until June next year. This 1-year phase is meant to help us rediscover our identity as a local church and rekindle our desire for mission. It begins with this launching Mass that we are now celebrating. In the coming months, the Jubilee will also be launched in all our parishes across the diocese, especially during our patronal fiestas. This coming July 15, there will be a fraternal dialogue of the diocesan clergy and the priests of the Society of Our Lady of the Most Holy Trinity, or SALT, with the Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines, His Excellency the Most Reverend Charles John Brown. And the next day, on July 16, we will join the priests, sisters, brothers, and lay collaborators of the Society of Our Lady of the Most Holy Trinity in marking their 50th anniversary through a Mass presided also by the Apostolic Nuncio here at the Albay Cathedral. On August 16, we will celebrate our Diocesan Fiesta at the Diocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Salvation in Joroan. On September 3, we will celebrate the Feast of Saint Gregory the Great, secondary patron of the diocese, with a concelebrated Mass here at the Albay Cathedral. To spiritually nourish our clergy, there will be a series of recollections on July 22, August 26, September 30, and October 29. On October 10, 2025, we invite you to be part of the sequel to our clergy concert last 2018. This is One Voice Part 2, a dinner concert for a cause at the Legazpi City Convention Center. This is a fundraising dinner concert for the benefit of the formation of our future priests. The tickets are now with our PPCs, and we invite all benefactors to be part of this concert. During our Aguinaldo and Christmas Masses this year, from December 16 to 25, we shall also have thematic celebrations in line with the Jubilee. Our Diamond Jubilee is also a Marian Jubilee. We commemorate 3 milestones: 250 years of devotion to Nuestra Señora de Salvación, 50 years since she was declared patroness of the diocese and heavenly queen of the province of Albay, and 50 years since the elevation of her sanctuary in Joroan as a diocesan shrine. To mark these milestones, all parishes throughout the diocese will celebrate a special observance on December 8, 2025, Solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. And next year, on May 1, 2026, we will gather for the Inang Magayon Grand Marian Procession, featuring the Marian images from our parishes. Each diocesan commission will also hold its own preparatory celebration guided by the Jubilee theme. From June 30 to August 8, 2025, the Diocesan Commission on Ecclesial Communities. August 9 to September 18, Family and Life. September 19 to October 24, Christian Education. October 30 to December 9, Clergy and Consecrated Persons. December 10, 2025 to January 19, 2026, Diocesan Commission on Youth. January 20 to March 1, 2026, Social Concerns. March 2 to April 11, 2026, Temporalities. April 12 to May 22, 2026, Media and Communications. And May 23 to June 28, 2026, the Diocesan Commission on Worship. The next phase is the celebratory phase. which begins on June 29, 2026, exactly 1 year from now. Early in the morning of that day, there will be a simultaneous ringing of the church and chapel bells throughout the diocese. In the afternoon, we will open our Jubilee door here at the Albay Cathedral and announce the granting of indulgences. A pontifical mass will be held, and we are extending an invitation to His Eminence Pablo Virgilio Cardinal David to preside. A testimonial dinner will follow the liturgy. From July to August 2026, parish groups will make vicariate pilgrimages to Horoan to honor Our Lady of Salvation, culminating in our Diocesan Fiesta on August 15, 2026. A diocesan recollection is also being planned. This is open for everyone and will be announced in due course. And on October 2026, the 75th anniversary of the installation of our first bishop, we will hold our Grand Diocesan Fiesta. Early in the morning of that day, we will once again hear a simultaneous ringing of all the bells of all churches and chapels throughout the diocese. We are also extending an invitation to His Eminence Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle to preside at the Jubilee Mass at 9 o'clock in the morning here at the Cathedral. He will be joined by Philippine bishops and the clergy from the different dioceses of the Bicol region. That evening, all parish patrons will be brought together in a solemn procession of thanksgiving from the old airport down to the cathedral. The Jubilee door here at the cathedral will be closed on the evening of December 31, 2026 at the celebration of the Solemnity of Mary, Mother of God. Finally, we will enter the post-Jubilee phase, which will span from 2027 to 2028. In 2027, our clergy will come together for a pilgrimage retreat. That same year, we will publish a coffee table book chronicling the history and life of our diocese, including the Jubilee celebrations. And by 2028, we hope to hold either the 4th Diocesan Pastoral Assembly or DPA4 or a 2nd Diocesan Synod, where we will discern new directions for our mission as a local church that continues to be sent. Dear friends, this is our roadmap. This is our diocesan pilgrimage. And we begin it today with hearts burning, walking once more with the Lord and our Ina, Nuestra Señora de Salvación. Let us pray for one another and for our diocese. May this Jubilee be a time of deep renewal and lasting joy.